So let's take another example of percents calculation. So let's say we need to calculate 5% out of 400. So as we have learned, to calculate 10% is always very easy. So let's calculate first 10% out of 400. How will we do it? We will take this number and divide it by 10 as we have learned. So 400 divided by 10 is 40. So we know that 10% out of 400 are 40. But we need to calculate 5%. And we know that 5% is half of 10% because 5 is half of 10. 5 out of 10 is actually a half. So if 10% are 40, then 5% will be half of the 40 because 5 is half of 10 and 10% are 40, so 5% are half of the 40. So it results in 20. So let's take another example. If we need to calculate 15% out of 300. So, as we know, let's calculate 10% out of 300. It results in 30. And then we need to calculate the 5% because we need 15. And we know how much is 10%, but we need more 5%. So 5% out of 300, 5 is half of 10, so we will take half of the 30. So 5% is half of the 30, which is 15. So 15% is 10% plus 5%. So 15% are, I will continue it here, 10% plus 5%, which we already know that is 30 plus 15, 30 plus 15, which will result in 45. And let's take another example. Let's take an exercise from the app. %8 out of 350. So let's take a look. 8% out of 350. So there is no easy way to calculate 8%. What we will do, we will use the percents definition, which is percents are always out of 100. So the 8% is actually represents this fraction, 8 out of 100, 8 over 100, and we will multiply it by the amount, by 350. And we can calculate it with a calculator, or we can ask the app for an answer. The answer is 28.